today for this episode of Ask Z. Today we're talking about FabACab's client design sessions. Their design sessions have been gaining traction with busy reps in the field who allow FabACab to come alongside them and help their clients narrow down design and material selection. While standing here in FabACab's very own design studio, we have Director of Sales Sonya here to tell us a little bit more about why design sessions are so successful. Sonya, thank you so much for letting me come and spend time here in your design studio.
You're very welcome, Z. I'm glad you're here.
Awesome. Okay, so tell me, why does FabACab do client design sessions?
Sarah, that's a great question. Think about who we deal with, right? We deal with busy reps who have tons of stuff going on every day, tons of clients they're working with. By doing a client design session, we're taking a little bit off their plate. By going in, meeting with their client, really drilling down what the cab makes sense for them, putting that quote together, and then getting it back out to the reps so they can move on about their day.
That is fantastic. I would love to take something off of my very full plate and give it to you, if I'm being honest.
I would love to help you out.
Wonderful. All right, so then the next question would be, what does a client design session actually look like?
Sure. So we have two options. We can do an in-person client design session where we go in with the rep, or the rep sends us to meet with their client. We sit down with the client, talk about what cab makes sense, what their needs are, show them some samples like we have here on the table, the laminates, the resins, the metals, let them have an opportunity to really touch it, see it, feel it, so they can see what they're picking out.
I love that. I am very much a touch and feel kind of gal, so I think that's fantastic.
The second one we have is where we can do a video conference where we conference them in, where if time is of the essence and they're on a deadline, we bring them into our design studio virtually, show them products, talk about the cab that makes sense, and then we will take that material that they pick out and send it to them so they can actually touch and feel it.
I think that's just so fantastic. You're really simplifying the process, making it easier for the busy rep, and then bringing the samples into the hands of the people who are ultimately going to be purchasing it.
Yeah, we want to make it simple.
I love it. Well, there you have it. FabACab is setting the bar on client design sessions by simplifying a process made difficult and taking one more thing off the to-do list of the busy reps they serve. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I hope you join us next time for another quick tip with Ask Z. Bye.